Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical. Please make sure to click the subscribe button and notification bell. Medical videos don't always come up in search, so that bell is the best way to see great pimple pops. First, we have a submission by Reddit user Ames with Glitter. She's been having headaches as a result of this cystic acne. Now instead of headaches, she's getting a lot of Reddit karma. Click like if you enjoy the clip. Check out this pedicure clip. Look at the excess cuticle removal. This condition has caused a lot of controversy on the net. 30-year-old male patient has these papules on his hand. He has no fever or other noteworthy medical conditions. What do you think it is? Some guesses include herpes, shingles, and MRSA. One user thinks it's an allergic reaction to a henna tattoo like these images here.
Henna tattoos by themselves aren't necessarily the problem. It's when they add other components to it to make them darker or to make them react more quickly.
FDA researchers say traditional henna is considered safe, but black henna is often being used in its place.
Moving back to popping highlights, this comes from user Chromot1. What a great little pop. Lastly, here's a macro video of a blackhead peel. If you're interested in my favorite peel mask, I'll put a link below. And here are a few more details about that mask. Hey folks, this is Watson. Have you been curious about carbon facial masks? Well, I want to show you one of my favorite beauty masks. Carbon facial masks help restore collagen, which naturally fills in wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. They also help unclog pores and prevent new blemishes from occurring. This mask gives you multiple uses for well under 20 bucks. It has high quality ingredients and will leave you with beautiful skin and a healthy glow. Just follow the Amazon link below.